my channel. So today is a super exciting day because first of all, I am announcing my November giveaway, and second of all, I'm announcing the winners from my October giveaway, which was like major. So the thing about giveaways is that like I try to like make the next one better than the one that I did before, and I think I successfully did that this month because November is all about giving. I always feel extra generous during the holidays, so I am definitely spoiling you guys this month, and if you thought last month's giveaway was good, you guys are gonna freak when you see this one. So the winners from my October giveaway will be announced at the end of this video, and the interesting thing about this video is that I'm pre-recording this because I'm gonna be a little bit busy later this week, so I just want to make sure that my giveaway announcement is done on time because I know that everybody is anxious to see who won. So I don't even know who the winners are yet, but I will by the time this video goes live, and they will be edited into the end of this video when I'm ready to announce the winners. Okay, so let's go into the prizes. First of all, I just want to share with you guys that just to keep everything fair and square. So if you're new to my channel, I just want to let you guys know how I do my giveaways. There's two different ways to enter. There's two different prize packs because I want to keep everything fair for everyone. So the first one is a contest where the most active subscriber is selected. So you have to be active in order to win, and I will pick the girl that has been the most active across all of my social media platforms. And then the second winner is just chosen at random. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, click the Gleam link down below, and show that you're interested in winning to be selected, and that's it. So once you enter your information into gleam.com, you're going to be entered into a random generator, and the winner will just be picked by Gleam. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start with prize pack number 1, which is actually the contest winner for the most active subscribers. So if you're interested in winning this prize, please make sure that you click the link down below where it says rules for that most active subscriber contest, because you have to follow all of the rules in order to be considered to win. Alright, so let's get into this. If you guys are fans of Anastasia Beverly Hills, I have a little surprise for you guys. I am giving away a glow kit. This is the Sun Dipped Glow Kit. It's absolutely gorgeous, and Anastasia has literally the best highlighters. They have a great formula. I really love this kit, so I'm giving one away. And I'm also giving away a soft glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Anastasia has amazing eyeshadows, and this is actually one of my favorite palettes. It has like literally every color on the spectrum that you need to create an incredible look. You can really get creative with this, so I'm gonna spoil you guys with a soft glam palette from Anastasia. And I'm not done spoiling you guys with the Anastasia prizes yet because I have one of the brand new liquid glows from Anastasia. This is the Perla, and I do have the rose gold one for my randomly selected winner. We'll get to that later, but this is the Perla color, so it's like a more golden type of highlight. So these are the 3 Anastasia products that I'm giving away in prize pack number 1, but there is so much more. So have you guys heard of Huda Beauty? So I am giving away the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte. This is the color Spice Girl, which is like a deep like brownie nude. It's like totally perfect for like the generation that we're in right now because the 90s are making a comeback, and if you love like a nice brownie nude lip, this is absolutely perfect. It wears all day long. It doesn't go anywhere. And I'm also giving away Huda Beauty lashes. These are the style number 1, Giselle. I know that they're super, super popular, and I think that you'll love them. And of course, if I'm giving away lashes, I have to give away some lash glue. So I'm giving away a duo lash glue so that you can rock your brand new look. On the topic of lashes, you definitely need some mascara to make all of that blend in and look absolutely flawless. So I'm giving away an Urban Decay Full Size Perversion Mascara. And of course, this is in the black color because as a drama queen, I think that mascara should always be black. So now that we know that your lashes are going to be on point and you're going to be hooked up with the best Huda Beauty products, let's move on to the next thing in prize package number 1. I am giving away a whole bunch of stuff from Cargo. This is a Cargo liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Portofino. And I'm also giving away a matte bronzer and a matte blush from Cargo Cosmetics because blush and bronzer are super important. They're essential for any girl's makeup kit, so these are going to be for one of my most active subscribers. Okay, so speaking of completing a makeup kit, I think that eyeliner is essential. So I'm giving away a black liquid eyeliner from Maybelline, and this is the curvy applicator, which makes it super easy to get like that perfect wing. And I'm also giving away an Urban Decay 24/7 liner, and this is the shade Alkaline, which is like a super deep burgundy color. It's like a cool purple. It's almost black. Let's call it like Plum. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the shade is Alkaline, and I like to use this on my waterline or underneath my eyeliner because I like to layer that stuff on. So this is also in price pack number 1. I think that eyebrows are everything and they totally shape your face, so I'm giving away a eyebrow pomade from CoverGirl. This is a deeper color, but I do have a lot of shades, so once we find out who won, we can talk about what shade of eyebrow pomade that you want, because I do have some lighter shades as well. I'm also giving away an eyelid primer from the Balm Cosmetics, and just in case that Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette is just not enough for you, I do have a nice rose gold themed eyeshadow palette from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this kind of looks a lot like the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. Alright guys, so I think the only thing left is lips. So let's go into all of the lip prizes that I have for you for price pack number 1. So in my last BoxyCharm unboxing, I unboxed a Bow and Arrow liquid lipstick from Kat Von D, and I already had this shade. I showed it off. I love it. But since I already have one, I'm going to give this one to one of you. So I love like the full lip look. I think that Kylie Jenner totally wore off on me. I got my lips done, so I don't need a lip plumper. So I am giving away a hydrating lip plumper from Grande Cosmetics for one of my winners. This is tinted. It's like a super nice nude color. It says Toasted Apricot. It's actually a plumping gloss, so I hope you can have fun with this. These are 3 lipsticks from L'Oreal, and they're all like super cute nudes. We have 2 deeper ones, and then we have like a more pinky one. I hope that you'll love them. I also have a pink Lancome. I'm actually wearing it right now. It's like a gloss, but it doesn't go anywhere. Like it literally stays in place. It lasts all day. These are called the L'Absolu Lacquers, and I got every single shade from Lancome, so I'm still like working through them. I kept every shade that I loved for myself, and I still have some left. So this is a gorgeous pink color that I'm excited for you to try. I'm a huge fan of Laura Mercier, and I think that her products are amazing. This is the Velour Extreme Lipstick. This is also like a nice coral color. I hope that you'll love it. And the last thing, you guys, I am out of breath for price pack number 1. Is the Naked Cherry Vice Liquid Lipstick from Urban Decay. This is the shade Devilish. It's absolutely gorgeous. You know that I tried on the whole Naked Cherry collection. I loved it, so I hope that you will love this Vice Liquid Lipstick as well. So that is it for price pack number 1. I know it's a lot of work to stay active, but I think that this will be worth it. So just to put it into perspective, this entire bag is full of amazing full-size bougie high-end products. I think that it will literally invent your makeup collection, because this is like every girl's dream, and I want to give this to you for the month of November. So this is for my most supportive LadyCode subscriber. So if you want to learn how to enter to win price pack number 1, once again, go ahead and click the link below for the rules for price pack number 1 link. Okay, so I'm like out of breath. That's a lot of prizes, but that is just half of what I'm giving away, because now we're going to go into prize package number 2, which is a randomly selected winner. So literally all you have to do is click that Gleam link down below, put in your information, and it will be put into a system that will randomly select a winner once the giveaway is over. Alright guys, I don't think you're even ready for this, but something that I reviewed in October that I absolutely love. I'll give you guys 3 guesses. It's an eyeshadow palette. Guys, I got a Naked Cherry eyeshadow palette for you guys because I loved it so much, and I think that one of you all deserve to try it out. I think it's perfect for the holidays. I think you're going to be able to create an incredible look with this palette. So I'm giving one of these away, and if you want to see what the palette is like, I'll go ahead and link my Naked Cherry tutorial down below so you can see it in action. Since I'm giving away a Huda Beauty product in prize pack number 1, it's only fair that I add it to prize pack number 2 as well. So this is the Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsessions palette. These are all like foiled eyeshadows, and they can really make your eyes pop, and I think it's perfect if you want to enhance your eyes for the holidays, because hello, Thanksgiving and Christmas is coming up and you really want your makeup to be poppin'. Just in case those 2 eyeshadows aren't for you, I'm also giving away another full-size eyeshadow palette. This is the Paradise Enchanted Scented Eyeshadow Palette from L'Oreal Cosmetics. This is absolutely gorgeous. I think you can create a lot of like neutral looks with it. It kind of reminds me of like Too Faced, but this is perfect for enhancing your eyes. I think it's perfect for every day, so I'm just adding it to the prize pack, and I hope you have fun with it if you win. And I'm not done with the Urban Decay goodness for prize pack number 2. I'm actually giving away 3 more Urban Decay products. This is a Vice lipstick, and this is the color Disturbed. It's like a deep burgundy color because we're going along with that holiday theme. I'm also giving away a 24/7 eyeliner pencil from Urban Decay, and this is the shade Torch. So it's like a super spicy color, perfect for your waterline. I swear to God, try lining your waterline with like a more neutral or like lighter color because it really makes your eyes pop. It gives you that sultry look, but it doesn't close up your eyes like a black. And the last thing from Urban Decay is a heavy metal glitter liquid eyeliner. This is the shade Gamma Ray, and like glitter liners are super fun, so I hope you have a great time trying out this Urban Decay liner. I gave away lashes in price pack number 1, so it's only fair that I add that to price pack number 2. So I'm giving away Ardell Wispies because they're perfect for every day. They're totally reusable, and of course you need some lash glue as well. So this is the Kiss Lash Glue to complete your lash look. The Anastasia product for price pack number 2 is the Liquid Glow, and this is Rose Gold. You guys, Rose Gold highlighter is perfect because it definitely warms up your face. It blends in perfectly with your blush, and it just gives you like a nice, like dewy, like youthful vibe. So I think that you're gonna love the Anastasia Liquid Glow in the shade Rose Gold. Speaking of dewy, I'm giving away the e.l.f. Glow Lotion. This is perfect to wear underneath your makeup or just wear it by itself. It makes you look super refreshed and dewy. And I'm also giving away an e.l.f. highlighter palette. This has like every shade. It is like a nice dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. And I'm also giving away a L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Peach Blush. This has a shimmer in it, so it's going to make your glow pop. And I really want to see what happens if you use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow as a base and then pack this on top. I feel like your highlight would just be like super pop. From Laura Mercier, I have a secret brightening powder for under your eyes. This is a full-size brightening powder. I think it's for baking. It's also for setting and brightening under your eyes. Laura Mercier is obviously like the best of the best when it comes to setting powders, so I know you're gonna love this. And I'm not done with the eye products yet because I do have a black eyeliner for you. This is from Almay. This is a retractable eyeliner pencil with a built-in sharpener. Obviously, black eyeliner is essential for anyone's makeup kit, so here you go. And I'm also giving away a foiled eyeshadow palette from The Balm Cosmetics. And I know I already shared the Vice Urban Decay lipstick with you guys, but I also have a lot more lip products for you. So let's go ahead and get into this. I have a red lip pencil from MAC Cosmetics, and this is the shade Ruby Woo, which is like one of their best ones, I believe. And just to match this perfectly, this is the Lancome L'Absolu Rouge. I can't say it, you guys, but this is the Lancome lip glossy thing that I'm wearing that I love, and it's in the red shade that just matches the MAC. I gave away a Grande Cosmetics lip plumper in price pack number 1, so just to keep it nice and balanced, I'm also giving away a lip plumper for you as well. This is from Dr. Devan. It's Scientific Beauty, and this is a platinum lip pump. It looks super bougie and fun. I already have fillers, so I don't need a lip plumper, but I hope that you will love this. I have 2 gorgeous glosses from Revlon. These are both in super nude colors. This is like a pinky nude, and this is like a lip topper. I think that it would look super cute mixed together. I love like glittery glosses like this because you can wear this over like any lip look and you can just make it pop. Speaking of nude lips, this is a Makeup Forever lip liner pencil, and this is in the shade Wherever Walnut. It's just like a neutral color. I think that neutrals are like in right now for lips, so this is for you. And I'm also giving away 2 nude lipsticks. They're in 2 different shades. This is like a pinky nude. This is like a deeper, more brown nude color. So I hope that you'll love one of them, if not both. I'm also giving away a Creme de Paris lip color, and this is the shade Lulu. And the last thing in this giveaway is the Magic Pad. So this is skincare. I think skincare is important. I should probably be incorporating more skincare into my giveaways because I think it's just as important as makeup. So this is a full-size pack of the Magic Pads. This is daily exfoliating pads. It's also helpful for anti-aging. I do believe it has glycolic acid in them. There's 60 pads in here, so I hope that you enjoy trying these out. Alright girls, so that's a lot of stuff. It's only November. I'm really hoping that I can like top this giveaway maybe for December because that's like Christmas, you guys. Like everyone should get spoiled, so maybe I'll do like more winners or something. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. All of the rules are listed down below, and now it is time to announce the winners of the October giveaway. So the winner for prize pack number 1 is... Congratulations, I am so excited for you, and here is the winner for prize pack number 2. Congratulations, I'm so excited for you guys. I have sent you either a DM or an email, so make sure that you respond within 24 hours to claim your prize. And yeah, good luck on this month's giveaway. All of the rules are listed down below. Please read them thoroughly because it's very important that you follow all of the rules. I do check to make sure that every winner that has been selected has followed all of the rules, and if they haven't, then I have to pick another winner. So make sure that doesn't happen to you. Make sure you follow everything step by step. And yeah, I'm really excited. Thank you guys so much for supporting LadyCode. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.